If you think I'm stuck, replace it with I am on a journey and every step is a progress. As you replace the thought, notice how your emotions shift. Positive thoughts create positive feelings. And before you know it, you are in an upward spiral. The minute you wake up, that's very crucial, okay? It sets the tone for your entire day. If you can break the pattern of negativity, the moment you open your eyes, you're sorted. You'll already be ahead. Here's what worked for me. Smile. Even if you don't feel like it, initially you won't feel like it, but just smile. It might feel forced, but over time it will become natural.